In 1270, Yekuno Amlak takes the imperial throne of Ethiopia, toppling the Zagwe Dynasty and establishing the Solomonic Dynasty. The dynasty's name comes from a claim that the rulers descend from the biblical king Solomon, although there is no credible evidence to support the assertion. The Solomonic dynasty remains in power for more than 700 years, until the overthrow of Emperor Haile Selassie in 1974. Haile Selassie gains worldwide attention in 1936 for his famous speech before the League of Nations, the forerunner of the UN, where he pleads for assistance as his nation is being overrun by Benito Mussolini's Italian forces. His speech uses these ominous words: "God and history will remember your judgment. It is us today, it will be you tomorrow." Of course, the League of Nations fails to heed the warning, and World War II begins 3 years later.